As of right now, this cup has been stuck to my face for more than 35 minutes. Hi there, I'm Sai. Today, I'm reviewing this iCupping brand Silicone Facial Cupping Kit. And you can see that it comes with 4 different sizes. And people mainly use this for facial toning and massage. You can see that it says these are food grade. I guess the idea is that increased blood circulation through cupping can offer a number of benefits. I personally like the idea that there are these bulb-shaped cups, so it's thicker on the top than it is on the bottom. I had read reviews for a number of different facial cupping cups, and a lot of people complained that there wasn't enough suction in the smaller ones, and that's why I wanted these bulb-shaped ones. I figured with the thicker top, you could probably increase the suction better. You can see how the ends look in comparison to the size of my fingers. Give you an idea about how small they are. But if I am correct, this opening here is 0.6 centimeters. So that's pretty small. So we're gonna go ahead and do a test. Normally you would use oil. I'm not gonna even use oil. I'm just gonna use water and see how well they suction to my face with just water. But I guess for massage, you'd normally want to have a little bit of oil on your face. I'm going to go ahead and quickly wash these, and we're going to do a demo. I did bring some warm water to put the tip of the cup in before I put it on my face. So we're going to go ahead and test it out now. Okay, so in one try, I got it to suction, which I think is a good sign. And you heard that when it came off. So the suctioning power seems to be decent, and I didn't try too hard. This time I squeezed it a lot harder. And so let's get a close-up for you here. Yeah, I could see how you could pull some blood to the surface of your skin pretty quickly. So I'd say that these ones work pretty good just for suctioning in general. I feel like the suction power is better than I expected just right off the bat. I just want to see if I can actually move it around even without using oil. Let's go ahead and try that. Just getting it wet again here. All right, and yeah. Well, that's interesting. I can pull it along my skin without even having any oil. See how it does on the forehead. And yeah, it sticks really good. Can move it across my forehead. Still staying on there. That's without any oil at all. That's not bad, actually. Let's see, where else might it be difficult to have it stick? Let's try my cheekbone. Seems like that would be thinner skin. All right, and now you can see it's actually sticking to my cheekbone even where the thin is skinner, and it was sticking pretty good. So yeah, I'd say if you use these with a little bit of oil on your face, I bet you they would glide pretty nicely. And I do like the suction power. I'd actually say I'm pretty happy with them. But I won't leave it there for you. Let's go ahead and try one of the big ones and see how much suction power we can get with that. And okay, yeah. Now, the suction power on the big one is pretty strong. You can see up close. Yeah, that's strong. I actually had to squeeze it to pull it off without feeling like I was pulling too hard when I just tried to pull it off. But let's see how it moves across my face with just the water and no oil. Yeah, this one is very strong suction, and I would think that you would probably want to have oil to move it more smoothly. But I could definitely say that I think that these will do a good job, and I do think that the suctioning power is good, especially considering that people had seemed to have problems with other brands that didn't have this bigger bulb on the end. I'd say this is probably a win. As of right now, this cup has been stuck to my face for more than 35 minutes. The reason I'm telling you that is because I know that some of these facial cupping cups are weak and don't have much suction power. So I thought it was a good idea to just stick this to my face and see how long it would stay on. So I'm pretty impressed with this iCupping Silicone Facial Cupping Kit. You've seen how it works, and I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video. If you want to help support this channel, please use the links in the description or scan the QR code in this video to purchase, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. But all she did was spark a legend in the making. Always had the heart.